Okay, so now let's go ahead and give damage to this knight by using the rifle. So from the animator, first of all, let me delete that animation which we added in the previous video, and then open up the rifle script right here. Now we don't need this debug message, okay, and right here we will say knight AI. Let's name this as knight AI as well. This will be equals to hit info dot transform dot get component, and we want to get the knight AI script. Okay, so this is similar to what we did right here on the single melee attack and for the fist fight. Okay, we are just simply getting the knight AI script. So for example, we created this knight AI type variable, okay, and then we equal that to hit info dot transform dot get component knight AI. So for example, as I told you that whatever we hit, that information will be stored inside this hit info. So for example, if the raycast hit the knight, okay, then right here it will check that knight for a component which is by the name of knight AI. Okay, so as you know that the knight contain the knight AI script, so it will just simply get that script, and that script will be saved inside this knight AI variable, and that is the reason why we created this of type knight AI. Okay, so now we will say that if this knight AI is not null, okay, it means that if it is really found, then what we will do, we will say knight AI dot take damage, and we will pass the give damage float right there. Then this give damage will be passed to this amount. Okay, so now whenever we try to shoot the knight, this give damage will be transferred to this amount, and then as you can see, the amount will be decreased from this current health. Okay, so this is how you can damage the knight. You can damage some other game object if you want as well. Okay, just simply create a reference for that game object and then type the if condition like this. So once you do that, get back to Unity right here. Now if we play the game, okay, let's click on this knight. So that is the knight. Now as you know that the shooting area is in front of the player. For now the player will not play any animation, but now if we try to shoot the knight, as you can see, the knight current health is decreasing, as you can see. So now when the knight health become equals to or less than 0, the knight just simply disappear. Okay, so as you can see now, the shooting is working perfectly fine. The shooting can now damage the knight as well. So now the next thing which we will be adding to our rifle is the ammunition and magazine system. Okay, so with this done, I will see you guys in the next one.